My presentation is about building information and the connection with virtual reality. Bring this model that I have in Revit to virtual reality. I just have to have a plugin to a VR software. Currently it's Enscape, and I can easily go into the building and be immersed in its environment and see its functionality. But a few words about the background of these softwares or this solution is that in order to make VR work, we have to have the correct hardware, the platform, and the software. So on the market, we have many different headsets. I added a slide about what are the hindrances of virtual reality. And currently those are that the field of view in the hardware department is not the same as we are used to. The field of view is narrower in most of the headsets. So as I mentioned before, it's quite easy to bring the models into VR because there are a multitude of softwares that are specialized in creating this virtual environment based on the default or vanilla model that we get from the design software. For example, Revit or Archicad, or maybe even a model checker software such as Navisworks. So we can bring in a Revit format or IFC format and just generate, and it will generate the VR environment for us. So the possibilities of VR is we can play out different scenarios, different design solutions, change the models in real time, and also we can geolocate the models themselves, so we can play out how the day cycle would appear to us in this correct location. So it's an interesting feature because we are living in these Corona times. What different VR softwares enable us to do is we can actually have meetings in the model itself. So we could have one person from Tallinn, the other from Helsinki, a third from Vilnius, and the fourth from Tokyo, for example, and we can all meet in the same VR model and have a model checkup or functionality check in that environment. And nowadays, as the years have advanced, by the last 4 years, the technologies have advanced in a rapid pace, the quality, the functionality, and they are more reliable, the softwares. Now, a quick demo about the virtual reality. Is it so that you see currently the VR picture about the Verstam house? Yes, thank you. So now I put on the headset and I'm in the VR model. And here I can see everything that's been designed and placed here. This environment that has created this VR experience is the software called Enscape. We can see actually the trees being live, and I will just go into the building. So here, the question always is that what are we evaluating? Is it a technical aspect, or is it just maybe the functional view of the rooms, of the space, of the selected solutions? We can evaluate all of these. So do we have enough space to go from one point to the other, or is the placement of specific equipment suitable? For example, in hospitals, in other very important buildings, the placement of equipment is crucial. And if we wish, we can also always fly through these constructions and see the building, see the solutions from such points that we have never seen them before. So this was a quick overview of the possibilities in VR. I expect that the software and the solutions will be advancing and developing also in the near future. So this would become more easy to handle, to make work, and to use for everyone.